Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet. In this video I will be making this trendy balloon sleeve. First, I have my fabric here on fold using my round bicep measurement multiplied by 3, and for the length I added 6 extra inches to the length of my sleeve. So on this open end I came down by 3 inches and I'm making a curve to this other side like so. I'm going to be cutting that out. So next I'm opening it up. I've already hemmed the lower part. If not, I've already hemmed the lower part, but you can turn it with a lining if you want. So here I am on the right side of my fabric. I'm coming up by 1 inch here, but I highly recommend you go up by 2 inches. 2 inches is going to look way better. So I'm marking 1 inch here. So let's say 2 inches. 2 inches from the down part up, and here I have a bias strip I made with a satin fabric. So I'm going to place that satin fabric on that 2 inches point. Is going to be our elastic casing. So because I want this color to show on the outside, if not, your elastic casing should be on the wrong side of your sleeve. So I've sewn it down, and this is what we have. I'm just going to iron it so it relaxes a bit. So here's my elastic. What I did is I just used the baby's bicep measurement. I just cut out elastic using that measurement, about 7 inches. So using my safety pin, I'm going to pass it through this elastic casing that we have made. So as soon as I get it in on this other side, I'll pin it down and then continue to the other side. So here is it. The elastic is passed through. This is what the sleeve is looking like so far. I'm going to place them right sides together like so and join the side seams using 1 inch. So after doing that, this is what we have. So I went on ahead to fold it, arranged the side seam part, and I marked 2.5 inches on both sides on the right side. So from the side seam I marked 2.5 inches on both sides of the sleeve. So what I'm going to do now is pin it to the dress. So we're going to match side seams together like so, then pin to where that 2.5 inches point we've marked, where that point is on this side. Once you get to that 2.5 inches point, I came back to this other side now. I pinned to that same 2.5 inches point like so. This is just to make sure that we don't have more pleats on one side than the other. So next I located the center point and I pinned it to the shoulder, and then from there we are going to make pleats to fill up the remaining spaces. Just pleat like so, and then to the other side, and then we'll go and sew it around, and that's it too. The sleeve is ready. Here is it all done, both of them, and it's looking beautiful. That's all I can say. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. The video on how this dress was made is on my channel. I will link it down below. Bye.